I think the odds are close to zero. And the main reason is that so far, the trial lawyers of America, and I'm an attorney, but the trial lawyer groups that have driven large lawsuits against all sorts of industries have not got behind the effort to try to change that, because all that does, if you do change the legal status, is allow people to try to get huge dollar awards against veterinarians if something goes wrong, period. And that's almost always motivated by the group that's going to get the financial benefit of that, which is the attorney that gets 30 to 40% of the judgment, right? Right now, if the most you can get is $1,000 or $2,000 to replace it and the medical costs, it's not worth it for a lawyer. When they get interested, it's a different matter, but right now they're not interested. And I understand why people think that that's a great idea, but when you get behind it and you sort of look at what that does to the cost of veterinary medicine, which already doesn't have half of the pet owners thinking it's important, to me it only can cause that number of folks that don't come into vets to shrink. They're not going to come into vets because now they can sue them. The cost is going to go up because your insurance premium goes up. The amount of technology you have to use, the amount of extra tests that human medicine uses because they've got to cover themselves because a lawyer has told them if you don't do these 10 things, it's going to cost you money in a lawsuit. Regardless of whether that patient really needs that, the judgments, it's just defensive medicine to prepare for a lawsuit. If we get to that culture in veterinary medicine, I don't see anybody benefiting but the trial lawyers. And no one seems to feel bad if the trial lawyers aren't making more money. So my prediction, it'll stay this way for a good long time.